I'm bringing Winkle some peas outside. Winkle! Perry! Where did they go? Holy sassafras. I'm glad you guys come when you're called, huh? Good babies. Oh my gosh, you saw the peas. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Peas outside. We love Mom. Peas outside, Mom. We love you. Right? Oh, that's going to be good. I'll throw some peas in your pool, too. Yeah. It's taking forever, huh? Boom. Mama's going to turn that off. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. They won't even let me open it. I know that made a weird noise, huh, Perry? It popped, bub. Oh, there's some runaway peas. Come on. Come on, bub-bubs. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Oh, she loves her peas. Oh, he does too. Oh, boy. They both love their peas so much. Yes. Oops. We're not going to waste water. Right? No wasting of the water. Okay, I love you. Enjoy your peas. Bye. Oh, those are good.